Welcome back to StartupHakk, here where we love to train software developers and build custom software solutions. So I do a lot of work as a fractional CTO or fractional Chief Technology Officer. I have over a decade of executive leadership and a solid 25 years in software development. And I've mastered the art of transforming technologies and teams into products. So what is a fractional CTO? So I'm glad you're asking, and we're going to dig into that today. So let's go ahead and dive in and get started. All right, so let's dive into what is a fractional CTO. So again, I've been doing this for a long time, and becoming a fractional CTO is something that I've just shifted to over the last couple of years and really have gone to full-time this year. So what is a fractional CTO? This is where you can contract someone like myself to come into your organization and get the benefits of a seasoned CTO without having to employ me full-time. A fractional CTO is an experienced technology leader who offers their expertise to multiple companies on a part-time basis. So instead of being tied to a single organization, we work with various different businesses providing strategic and technical leadership as needed. This role is ideal for startups and small to medium-sized enterprises that need top-tier technical guidance but cannot afford a full-time executive. By engaging a fractional CTO, companies get access to high-level skills and insights without the financial burden of trying to employ somebody like me full-time. So in today's fast-paced world, efficiency, security, and product scaling aren't just goals, they're necessities. You can't really build a product without it. So my passion is to build impactful products and enhancing organizational efficiencies through the use of technology. Now, fractional CTOs are in high demand because they offer flexibility and expertise at a fraction of the cost of a full-time CTO. So many startups and growing businesses face technological challenges that require seasoned professionals to navigate. However, hiring a full-time CTO can be prohibitively expensive. Fractional CTOs bridge this gap, providing essential leadership and strategic development to help companies scale their technology efficiently. Everybody knows right now it's all about efficiency and how can we drive down cost. And so by getting someone like myself in a fractional case, you're getting that you're able to take advantage of it while still not having to pay my full salary. So from startups to small business, my approach is to leverage lean methodologies to not just meet, but exceed strategic goals. So whether it's through executive mentoring, and I'll talk a little more about this a little bit later, cloud system architecture, or launching a minimum viable product swiftly, my aim is to help to make a significant impact right from the start in your organization. So over the last two jobs, the jobs that I've been hired into range from I came into one technology and we started literally from scratch. We had no team, we had no product, and within 9 months, we'd built a full team of 9 developers plus a full product into an MVP and deployed it into the organization. So we built that really quick, and so as expected, a minimum viable product or MVP is one where you're meeting just a very small subset of requirements. So last October, I came into another greenfield project where we started from scratch, and I launched a very, very quick, it was small, 3-month MVP and brought on 4 developers, 1 QA, and a product manager, and we got the product up to production in under 4 months. So very quick. Another job that I was doing, I came in and I was helping to mentor one of the founders who was self-taught and had helped grow the company, but he was supposed to be in charge of the technology, and he really needed some executive help. He was young, he was inexperienced, but he was in a great spot. So I spend a few hours a week mentoring him. So you can see there's a really wide range of things that a chief technology or a fractional CTO can help you guys do for your organization. So hiring a fractional CTO brings a lot of different benefits, including obviously, as I've mentioned, the cost savings, but also it brings a lot of flexibility as well as access to a broad range of expertise. And so recently I helped another company that was trying to build a Wi-Fi router into their product. And because I've had, was able to bring a decade worth of experience in building routers from CleanRouter, which if parents, if you need something to help protect your kids, check out cleanrouter.com. But we've run this company for over 15 years. It's been one of my side projects for over 15 years at this point. And so I have a lot of experience building in these embedded software. And there's not a lot of people who have a lot of experience, selling, 30,000 routers out into the field and how to manage those and build a product on it. So he was able to hire me and one developer, and we were able to get a product for him from an idea to out to his first testing with a client in 3 months. So so a fractional CTO can really help to align technology strategies with business goals, ensuring that the tech infrastructure supports growth and innovation. A fractional CTO also offers a very objective perspective. I can come in, I have no bias to the organization or people within the organization, and I can help identify opportunities and risks that might be overlooked or that someone might be afraid to bring up by an in-house team. So a fractional CTO can help to mentor and develop internal tech teams and enhance overall organizational capabilities. And a lot of this is, again, because with an outside perspective, I can come in and give tips and helps in ways that somebody inside might not be able to do because they may be afraid of, being able to say something negative. So I'm not afraid of speaking the truth because I'm an outside person. So that can also be extremely valuable. So now, how does it work? How does this actually work? So a fractional CTO typically works on a part-time or project-based schedule, dedicating a set number of hours of weeks or number of hours per week or days per week to each client. I engage with the executive team to understand business objectives. I assess current technology stacks and develop strategic plans. I also help with some of my responsibilities may include overseeing development projects, managing an IT team, implementing new technologies, and ensuring cybersecurity measures are in place. I'm helping 2 organizations right now go through their SOC compliance. I've also in the past worked with folks who have tried to do high trust as well as HIPAA. So the goal is to provide a high-impact leadership that drives technological advancements and supports business growth. And that's the thing. Being a small business owner myself, I can speak with a lot of these executives and help them to really focus on business growth and to use technology to help to leverage and grow their business. And that's a really valuable insight that a lot of people might not necessarily get from other consultants that you might bring in. So now the big question for you, you need to determine whether a fractional CTO is right for your business depends on your specific needs and your resources. If your company is experiencing rapid growth, facing complex tech challenges, or you need to scale an operation, a fractional CTO can provide expertise and leadership that is required. It also can be beneficial to help fill just an interim leadership position, right? So I may come in and I may serve the purpose of CTO for a time and even help while you search for the full-time CTO and can even help you hire. A lot of people may not even know how to interview and hire a CTO. So I offer a low-cost, effective solution for being able to help you even come into the organization, learn the product, help to build the team, and eventually really to replace a full-term, long-term CTO. And that would be the ultimate goal, is that I'd be able to help you to place that. And so that's really the long-term goal. So if you're looking for a fractional CTO who can bring a wealth of technology experience, strategic vision, and a proven track record, hit me up. This is my contact information, Spencer at StartupHakk.com, StartupHakk with 2 Ks, of course, or go to StartupHakk.com/Spencer, and you can see my resume as well as hit me up if you have the questions. And as always, I love having a great conversation. So make sure you like and subscribe to the channel, but also leave a comment down below. That's the best way that you can give me a compliment, is to leave a comment. Even if you think you're being critical, I love it. I love being able to have a conversation. I actually read and answer all the comments myself. So here at StartupHakk, we love to train software developers in our coding boot camps, and we also love to build a custom software solution for people. So reach out, because if for some reason I'm not a fit, I can help you find somebody who is a fit. So let's take some of the questions. I love, again, like I said, I love getting questions. Let's see if anybody's leaving any questions out here, because I love talking with people about technology and talking with people about some of these opportunities that may be coming up. So I know one question that I get all the time is like, how do I work with multiple organizations? And so usually what I do is most of my contracts, I dedicate a specific day to going to, I usually will say like, okay, it's Tuesday, you get to every Tuesday. And obviously I'd be available for other times, but then allow somebody to really know that on Tuesdays, I'm really focused on their organization. Other ones are project-based, and so with those project-based ones, a lot of times I'll get, you won't come with the dedicated hours. And so, those are just some of the ways that I can carve out some of these times. So, as always, again, make sure that you like and subscribe to the channel. And if you know of anybody who's looking for some help with a fractional CTO, or you or your organization needs help, reach out, and we will catch you guys next time. Make sure you like and subscribe to the channel, because we bring you lots of great tutorials and tips that every developer should know. See you next time.